legs sa track, and for burning rubber on the streets with his trusty motorcycle. Not only that, but as the CEO of 1Z and the main composer and the main composer of SB19, you have also become a key player in paving the way for P-pop as a music genre, not only in the Philippines, but worldwide.
Pinuno. Pinuno.
Gusto ko pasalamatan yung Pure Gold sa pag-recognize nito. And syempre gusto ko pasalamatan ang SB19. Syempre mga brothers ko, hindi naman to matutupad kung wala sila. Syempre 18, lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa kanilang mga iniidolo. Nabuhay kayo lahat. Wala kami dito ngayon sa entablado kundi dahil sa inyo. Sa mga magulang namin, syempre sa mga nagpalaki sa amin. And syempre sa staff namin, supporters and everyone na talagang sila yung nagpapatakbo ng makina namin. Wala kami dito ngayon kung hindi dahil sa kanila lahat. Sila yung tunay na ari. Pero Pure Gold, maraming salamat dito.
Yay! Salamat po, Nina Pure Gold.
So, sino nga ba yung next na magkaka-award? So, King of the Night, Third Job!
Wow! King of the Night.
King of the Night. King of the Night?
Ikaw kumanta nung nasa atin ang pangalan.
Wow, maraming salamat po, King of the Night. Para, siguro kasi natawag akong ganito. Nasa Wild Tonight, gano'n. Hindi ako natutulog.
To Josh, the King of the Night title truly belongs to you, not only as a nod towards Wild Tonight and your never-aging, youthful, and vampire-like looks, but also as someone who truly never sleeps. Yeah, alam natin lahat yan. You have become famous for dropping MVs, songs, events, and collaborations left and right, truly proving that success comes to those who work for it. Congrats!
Wow, syempre po, itong award na to,
King of the Night.
hindi lang po para sa akin, para po sa SB19, 18, at sa Baby Q. Salamat po.
King of the Night.
Wala ano.
King of the Night.
The next award goes to the Birit King, of course, Noah Aviran.
Justin!
Yes, someone.
May pangalan po yung
Hindi ako.
award.
May pangalan
So
ba?
it's Telmo. To Stel, we award the Birit King Award for your viral All By Myself rendition during David Foster's concert right here on the stage. But not only that, this award also represents how we truly believe that, like your voice, you can soar to truly great heights, not only as a member of SB19, but as your own self.
Yeah, sample. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, 18, for giving us this award. Well, actually, with all the blessings na dumadating, it's not us, but it's God na talagang nagbibigay sa amin ng strength and lakas ng loob. Kaya naman, this award is really not for me, but to all the people who really supports me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tel. Thank you. Yeah, so next award. Sino nga ba yung magkaka-award na next? Superior King!
Superior King.
Superior ba?
Okay, so to Ken, we award the title Superior King not only as a nod towards your own company, Superior Son, and your superior fashion sense, and also as an acknowledgement of your truly superior talent, vocalist, dancer, rapper, guitarist, composer, writer, artist, you can do it during all efforts.
First of all, masaya ako sa mga tao na buibili ng merch ko, which is si Superior Son. Maraming salamat kasi na-enjoy niya yung mga jacket, tsaka mga hoodie, tsaka t-shirt na ginagawa ko para sa inyo. Pagpasensyahan niyo na kung last release ko medyo tumaas yung presyo. Sulit naman yun, so... Ayun, maganda naman yung cut. Drip is important, so ayun. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Yes.
And last but not the least, of course, for individual awards, we award King Corn to Justin.
King Corn!
Parang unggoy. Thank you po.
We name you King Corn for your truly corny jokes. You know, kidding aside, corn represents so much more than that. In literature and ancient worlds, corn represented growth and rebirth. And truly, no one can deny how much you've grown from when you first debuted as the youngest member of SB19 to who you are now as a soloist. I can think of nobody else who represents growth more.
Hey, Panis! Maraming salamat. Ma, pa, graduate na ako. Thank you. Thank you so much, 18, sa supportan nyo and appreciating all those things na ginagawa namin for you guys. So, thank you so much. We love you guys. Parang graduation talaga.
To SB19, we award, of course, P-Pop King!
Maraming salamat.
To our Mahalima, we award the title P-Pop Kings, not only for paving the way for P-Pop as we know it today, but for truly wanting everyone within your quote-unquote kingdom to prosper. You lead by example by living your dream of conquering the world through your music, much like the conquistadors and kings of old. You wear many crowns as evidenced by the trophies you hold, but your journey from rags to riches, from obscurity to fame, is one of your most treasured crowns, and we hope that you wear it proudly. All hail the P-Pop King!
Wow, thank you so much guys. Super gulat kami kung ano tong pakulo nyo and sobrang di namin alam paano magre-react but super thankful kami. Alam namin na grabe yung mga pinaghihirapan yung ginagawa nyo for us. So thank you so much guys. Thank you guys.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
And para sa inyo po,
Grabe naman yun.
Gulat Kings! Grabe, nakakagulat yun ah. Okay.
Kaya pala walang lumabas sa prompter ah.
Well, una-una sa lahat, gusto namin magpasalamat sa mga fan bases na talagang ginagawa yung best nila just to, mapakita sa sinusupport nilang idol, yung pagmamahal and support nila. So, palakpakan naman natin ang lahat ng fan base na nandito.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa time, effort, love, and all the support na binibigay niyo sa amin.
Yes, syempre hindi lang naman yun po ang awards dito sa gabing ito, kundi lahat po ng pumunta rito ay panalo. Sabi nga ni Pure Gold, nasa iyo ang panalo.
Nasa atin ang panalo.
Nasa
ating lahat.
Nasa atin yan. So, ayun nga. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung I Want You kanina? Ituloy na ba natin? Ikaw, Justin, may gusto ka ba sabihin?
Gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you so much guys. Nag-loading ulit. Maraming salamat.
Napapansin ko lang, medyo pumunta na tayo sa mabagal na phase ng kanta natin. Nag-I Want You na tayo. So bakit di pa natin natuloy? Dahil favorite naman ng mga Filipinos, but also 80, yung mga ballad songs natin. Bakit hindi tayo mag-ballad na? Game na ba kayo?
Game na.
Kasi parang sa moment na to, parang bagay na mag-lap-tara tayo. Tara! Let's go!